Hello dear viewers, welcome to my video. In this video I am going to explain how to set up a Wheelton kitchen water filter tap. So let's start the setup. Now I am opening the box. See what we have inside. We have a sandpaper here to clean the filter. Then we can see the main filter. This is the main filter which filter the water. Then we can see that we have a tape here. It's a white tape. This tape is used to remove any gap between the threads for tightening the thread. Here we have a extra filter. We can use it later if the first filter is expired. You can see it packed nicely. Each filter we can use 4 to 6 months according to the condition of the filter. This is the filter ABS shell made from food grade plastic. Let's see what we have inside. We open it first. Inside the ABS shell we have a filter here. Before using this filter we should remove it first. To open the filter we just pull it by rotating left and right. We should remove this filter to verify the condition of the filter to make sure it's not broken. This part is called the tap water outlet. We have a water channel switch here for changing the water direction. If you turn it to this direction, then the water goes directly. If you changed to this direction, the water flows through the water filter and your water will be filtered. Don't forget to remove this film from the water filter shell. You can see the white color filter shell. This shell is made from DIATOM MUD CERAMIC. Before installation your filter, you should wash it nicely to remove any dust or sand. We have a tap water outlet here. We are opening it. This is a metal filter. It helps to save water by foaming the water. Such types of filter is very helpful for us because it saves plenty of water. I am putting it back and tight it nicely. You can see this rubber filter piece. This piece comes with your filter set. Now we are going to set the tap inlet inner tooth joint along with the rubber piece. Place this inner tooth on the tap and rotate it clockwise. Tight it nicely to avoid any water leakage. Now I am going to join the water filter to the tap inlet inner tooth. Rotate clockwise to make it tight. Make sure it's enough tight. You no need to use any tools for tightening these parts. It's very easy to install. Just use your hand. If you think it's slippery, then you can use any cloth to make it tight. Now I am going to place the main filter. You place it and press with your hands to make sure you turn left and right and press little bit more. Now I am closing the filter with the lid by rotating clockwise and make it tight. Your water filter is ready now. You can start using. Now you have more fresh and safe water for your health and for your family. Thanks a lot for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.